Shalom on Israel, giving all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shah, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash, the bonus to the elders of GMS who taught us his truth. Salutation to Akim out there pushing his word in sincerity and in faith, risking your freedom in your life to do so, more so now than ever. Now, this is going to be a quick hit. Pretty much I'm on TMZ.com. And as you can see, you know, one of the sports I like to watch is boxing. So pretty much this is about Jacob and Esau. So it says MMA star Sage Northcutt surgery for 8 fractures after MMA knockout. Okay, so this is what happened during his fight, and this is the guy named Sage Northcutt. But the way he hit him is more like North fracture. Says Sage Northcutt was destroyed way more than anyone thought after a 29-second first round knockout in his one championship debut. Turns out he suffered 8 fractures and was in surgery for 9 hours to repair the damage. Northcutt posted a horrific pic of the aftermath, hooked up to all sorts of stuff, and post-op in the hospital. So this is the fight. This is what happened. I don't want to get copyrighted, you know. So I could check this fight out. So pretty much, as you can see, this man, he's a Israel Hebrew. He hits him in the face, and he fractured his shit. So this is Esau, or the seed of Esau, Edom. This is straight to the point. And the Lord said unto her, 2 nations are in thy womb, and 2 manner of people shall be separated from thy bowels. And the one people shall be stronger than the other people, and the elder shall serve the younger. So I was talking about Jacob and Esau. Whoever came out of first would serve the younger, which came out second. And the one people should be stronger than the next. As you can see, this was a first round knockout within 29 seconds and fractured all his shit, you know, with one blow. You see, look at the bone. So Jake hit him really hard and knocked him out. You see? And Jacob C crowned victory again, because one people should be stronger than the next. And it says, Judah is a lion's whelp from the prey, my son, thou art gone up. So it says, Judah being you American Negroes, you are a lion's whelp, meaning a baby lion or a young lion. From the prey, my son, now gone up, right? Because lions don't back away or walk away from prey; they pounce on it. So it says Judah is compared to a lion that's turned his back on the prey, because Esau, the so-called white man, has been oppressing us for this long time, but Israel seems to want to forget about it. That's what the scripture's talking about. It said he stooped down, he crouched as a lion, as an old lion. So when an old lion crouches down, usually that's a sign of he's tired, he's weak, he got old, he has no more fight in him. And this was supposed to be the prophecy of what's going to happen to Judah in the last days. And it says, and as an old lion, who shall rouse him up? Okay, who's going to get Judah to do this to the heathen, you see? But yeah, that's pretty much it. It says it's surprising because Sage got up under his own power and stood there as the ref raised Alexander's hand and declared him the winner. Sage was cut from the UFC after the lackluster run. UFC honcho Dana White said Northcutt just didn't cut muster and needed to work on his game. No word, obviously, on Sage's future, whether or when he'll return to one championship.